Restless. Marco was restless because his mind was full of thoughts. Uneasy. The loud noises made him feel uneasy. Tiring. The journey to the hills was long and tiring. Curious. Marco was curious about the wise old man. Hopeful. He felt hopeful that the old man could help him. Serene. The old man looked serene as he sat on the porch. Challenge. The old man gave Marco a difficult challenge. Carefully. Marco walked carefully, holding the glass of water. Distraction. He ignored every distraction around him. Focused. Marco was fully focused on keeping the water in the glass. Lesson. The old man taught him an important lesson. Peaceful. After the task, Marco felt peaceful inside. Moment. True happiness comes from living in the moment. Fear. There was no fear when he focused on the present. Confusion. His mind had no confusion while walking with the glass. Journey. Marco's long journey taught him how to calm his mind. Gratitude. Marco bowed his head in gratitude to the old man. Change. The experience brought a positive change in Marco. Inside. Real peace comes from within, not from outside. Lesson. Every day teaches us a new lesson if we pay attention.